Welcome to Wava Go.
Welcome to Wava Go.
10 things you need to know before your first trip. First, book your campground way in advance. So once you know how your campsite look like, then you can prepare accordingly. 2. No matter what the review says, prepare for no cell service. During your trip, you may need maps. Download your offline Google Map and bring a paper map with you, just in case you get lost and your phone dies. 3. Download the standard checklist. Checklist of how to prepare your trailer for the trip. Just before you leave, what do you need, like your own necessities, and the checklist for once you arrive. If you don't need so many things, you can customize your checklist. 4. Secure all items. When you travel, your rig actually shakes more than you think. I mean, more than I thought. Number 5. Master your rig. Hitch as many times as you need to. Hitch, unhitch, and then hitch again, and then unhitch again until you're comfortable with it. Do all the setup as if you are going to the campsite, like the setup sequence or the awning out. Make sure you know how to fill your water and dump your black tank. Backing up your trailer. Just find an empty parking lot and practice until you are cool with it. Number 6. Tools. Just make sure that you are prepared to do some maintenance. When we were back from our trip, we found that one screw came out of the toilet, so we went to screw it. If you want to fill up the water, you need the water hose. After you fill in the water, the hose will be quite wet, so we actually had like a back storage, one layer for fresh water and one layer especially for the sewer hose. And gloves, wrenches, screwdrivers, scissors, duct tapes. 7 is cookware. Do your menus. Once you plan your menus, you will find out what kind of ingredients you need, and then you will also know what kind of cookware you need. Number 8. Weather. Prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Bring your hats, your sunglasses, your sunscreen, short sleeve shirts, short shorts, but also bring socks and jackets in case the nights get too cold. 9. Think sequence. Think of what you do when you leave your house. Once you arrive, what kind of activities you're gonna do. You need your tablecloth because you need to sit outside. You need some firewood. What would the kids do while you're preparing everything? Bring some toys, some coloring books, something to occupy them while waiting for you. If you have dogs, what are they gonna do while you're setting up everything? Maybe have their dinner?
Can you touch this part?
Number 10. The time. Be sure to overestimate your travel time. So if the Google Map says it takes you 6 hours to get there, actually it took us 12 hours. Make sure you reach your destination before sunset. Okay, and that's all for our 10 tips for your first RV camping trip. See you next time. Bye.